Thank you, Amit. Hello there. I'm Guru Pandurangi, Vice President of Zscaler's Cloud Security Posture Management of the CSPM business. Today I'll walk you through the problems Zscaler CSPM solves and its relevance for every organization going through a cloud-based digital transformation. 91% of the enterprises are using public cloud technologies to digitally transform their business. In the last 2 to 3 years, there has been a surge in the usage of cloud-native workloads, including platform as a service, machine learning, serverless, Kubernetes, and the likes. These new technologies allow a business to deploy and scale their apps rapidly without the overhead of managing their host-based infrastructure. However, managing security for these heterogeneous cloud workloads is a different story altogether. It's all but natural for the businesses to be concerned about protecting their cloud workloads. In fact, Gartner says that nearly all successful attacks on cloud services are the result of customers' misconfigurations, mismanagement, and mistakes. There are major risks associated to cloud adoption, slowing down software releases and realizing time to value. These are usually misconfigurations, compliance violations, account hijacking, and host-based vulnerabilities. They continue to plague the businesses and are usually the root causes of acknowledged data breaches. And the interesting part is that all of these are entirely preventable and can be managed well. That's why Zscaler CSPM, formerly Cloud Niti, pioneered continuous security assurance and a remediation product to protect cloud-native workloads. This is how it works. Customers connect their cloud accounts from Microsoft Azure, AWS, Google Cloud Platform, and O365 to Zscaler CSPM. You heard that right. They just connect their infrastructure cloud accounts and their SaaS apps. No agents are required. Zscaler CSPM then discovers all their assets and the associated configurations, and within minutes identifies findings across a variety of security policies and compliance frameworks. In fact, the product goes ahead to prioritize these findings through a machine learning risk-based analysis engine, presenting information into a matrix of risk impact versus likelihood. And it doesn't stop at this. The product actually goes ahead and fixes the problems through a variety of remediation techniques ranging from automatic remediation to CI/CD and ticketing integrations. Zscaler CSPM has the deepest security coverage across workloads, covering 4 major areas: cloud infrastructure and IAM configurations for workloads deployed on Azure, AWS, and GCP. We also provide host security for operating systems like Windows and Linux distributions, as well as various cloud security configuration or distributions including AKS, EKS, and hosted Kubernetes on VMs. We have pioneered the security policy coverage for SaaS applications like O365 as well, and that's where we distinguish ourselves in the market. On the compliance side, we have the broadest automated policy coverage across 14 different leading frameworks spanning various laws, regulations, and security benchmarks. And of course, you can build your own custom compliance monitoring by creating or picking up from the existing ones. Let's quickly see this in action. Customer connects their cloud accounts either through UI or an automated CI/CD script. Within minutes, various visibility dashboards start showing up. These cater to security personnel, DevOps team, GRC, as well as various practitioner personas within the organization. DevOps and InfoSec teams can then peruse through various findings, prioritize them, and remediate them as necessary. Compliance teams can get a singular view of their organization compliance to various standards and, as need be, dig deeper into each one of them. SOC team, InfoSec teams can then manage and enforce policies applicable for the respective organization. Security posture is a moving target, and Zscaler CSPM enables cloud security governance at scale. Visibility is generally the starting point for any digital transformation team, followed by a setting up of organization as well as governance policies through various security baselines by the InfoSec teams. SOC team GRC personnel can then go ahead and use the product for automated actions and compliance reporting. To summarize, Zscaler CSPM accelerates your cloud adoption by reducing the risk across the spectrum. Architecture is massively scalable, capable of handling millions of customers' workloads, and we have the deepest security policy coverage, covering more workloads than the competition. We also have the broadest out-of-compliance automation covering various laws, regulations, and security benchmarks. And last but more importantly, Zscaler CSPM enables cloud security governance at scale, bringing teams across DevOps, InfoSec, GRC, and SOC together. Thank you.